Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down cybersecurity concepts in the simplest way possible. Today's topic, IDS versus IPS versus IDPS, the guard dogs of cybersecurity. If you've ever wondered what these systems actually do, how they're different, and why they matter, stick around, this one's for you. Let's kick things off with IDS, which stands for Intrusion Detection System. Think of IDS like a surveillance camera for your network. It's always watching, analyzing incoming and outgoing traffic, and checking for anything suspicious. It works by comparing traffic patterns to a database of known threats, kind of like matching fingerprints at a crime scene. But here's the catch, IDS does not take action itself. It just sends out an alert to your system admin saying, hey, something doesn't look right. So it's a super observant security guard, but it doesn't step in to stop the threat. Now let's talk about IPS, or Intrusion Prevention System. This one takes things up a notch. IPS doesn't just watch, it acts. When IPS spots a threat, it immediately steps in. It can drop harmful data packets, block suspicious IP addresses, or even shut down a risky connection. It's like having a bodyguard who not only notices danger, but tackles it before it gets too close. Now imagine combining the sharp eyes of IDS with the quick reflexes of IPS. That's where IDPS comes in, the Intrusion Detection and Prevention System. IDPS monitors your network, detects threats, and automatically takes action to stop them. It's proactive, reactive, and efficient. Perfect for high security environments where you can't afford delays. Think of your network as a fortress. IDS is the lookout on the tower, sounding the alarm. IPS is the guard at the gate, ready to block intruders. And IDPS, it's both, watching and defending 24/7. But let's keep it real. When it comes to being compromised, it's not the matter of if, but when, because no system is perfect. And that is why IDS can sometimes raise false alarms, flagging normal behavior as threats. IPS might accidentally block legitimate traffic if it's too aggressive. And IDPS, while powerful, needs regular updates and expert tuning to stay effective. So what's the right choice? Well, it depends on your network, your security needs, and how much control you want over what happens when a threat is detected. Until next time, stay safe and remember, keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.